Hey guys, my name is Carrie Walder and I'm a Vancouver-based dietitian and the founder of Walder Wellness, a food blog where I share simple, healthy recipe ideas and science-based nutrition education articles with the goal of making wellness something that's easy, attainable, and realistic. So today I'm going to be sharing one of my go-to breakfast recipes. This is a vegan blueberry steel-cut oatmeal, and I honestly have been making this on and off for at least 5 years. I never tire of it, and it also happens to be one of the more popular recipes on my blog. So to get started, I just wanted to walk you guys through all the ingredients in this recipe. As I mentioned, there are just 5 ingredients in the base of this oatmeal. We can get into toppings later, but there you can kind of pick and choose what you want. So to start, over here we have our steel-cut oats. I love steel-cut oats. They give a really nice denseness and chewiness and just a little bit more texture and hardiness than your regular rolled oats. Over here we have our chia seeds. These are one of my pantry staple ingredients. I love them. They are really high in dietary fiber as well, which is important for gut health. When chia seeds mix with a liquid, they form a gel, which gives a really nice thickness and creaminess to this oatmeal. And then over here, we have our frozen blueberries. If you want, you can swap the blueberries with something else if you prefer raspberries or blackberries, for instance, or if you just want to change things up. Frozen is just as nutritious as fresh, I promise you, which is really awesome to keep a bag in your freezer, especially when they're not in season. And then over here, we have our almond milk. I just use unsweetened almond milk, but you can really use any milk that you prefer. And then finally, we just have some ground cinnamon, which gives an extra kick of flavor to this recipe. And that is it. As I mentioned, we'll get into the toppings after, but let's get cooking. So as you can see, that was super simple to make. It's basically just one step, putting everything in a pot and cooking it all together. And then of course, no oatmeal is complete without some good toppings. You can get creative here, but my personal favorites are a scoop of almond butter or peanut butter. And then I love a sprinkle of hemp seeds or pumpkin seeds. They're both really great sources of zinc, which plays a really important role in our immune function. All these ingredients also add a source of healthy fat and protein to the meal, which really helps to balance everything out and keeps you feeling full and satisfied for a lot longer. So typically I just add a big scoop of almond butter and then sprinkle a little bit of hemp as well. I find this recipe is naturally pretty sweet, but if you want a little bit extra, feel free to add a little bit of maple syrup or some blackstrap molasses or something. So here you have the final product. Just stir everything together and it gets so creamy and absolutely delicious. The full recipe is available on my website at walderwellness.com. If you guys end up making it, please tag me at Walder Wellness. I absolutely love seeing your creations. They always make my day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, Vessi, for having me here, and happy cooking.